Hi everyone, if you've got an iPhone, more than likely you've got your passcode, Touch ID or Face ID set up on it so that people can't just get into your phone. But we show people things on our phones, people take them off our hands, maybe we're showing photos and things, and perhaps they get a little bit inquisitive and want to get into any of your other apps. Now, some of your apps already have security on them, banking apps and things like that, where you may have an account. So they can't just get in without knowing your passcode or you using your Touch ID or Face ID to activate it. But on iOS 18, you can basically take any app and say it requires Face ID or Touch ID and so on. Now, perhaps you don't want them to get into your photos, or perhaps you don't want them to get into your calendar. So all you've got to do, and this works on the iPad as well, so as I said, you need iOS 18 or iPadOS 18 to do this. All you have to do is press and hold, and it will come up with this option. Now, my phone uses Face ID, but if it's Touch ID, it will ask you for your Touch ID. So it says here, require Face ID. Tap on it. I now require Face ID for my calendar, and it warns me about that. I can cancel it. So it's telling me here that other apps that have calendar access may actually need Face ID as well. So if I tap on Done, now if I tap on my calendar, it's asking me my Face ID. Now I've actually made it so that I'm facing this away, so it's not picking up my Face ID, and you can see it needs my iPhone passcode, which I can do. So let's just hit cancel on that. Try Face ID again, and boom, there we go, straight into it. And you can see I'm trying to learn a language using Duolingo. So there we have it. So that's how you can get into the Face ID. If you need to switch it off or want to switch it off, tap and hold, and you can just tap don't require Face ID. It uses your Face ID then to switch it off, or your Touch ID or passcode. So there you have it. And you can do this to any of your apps. You might actually find this useful. You know, sometimes we've got sensitive things on here, or just things that we feel that we don't want to share with other people. And it also might just stop someone browsing around. I'm sure, like me, you've shown something like photos or something, someone takes the phone off your hand and then they're using it. Hope you like this. If you do like this, please do like, share and subscribe, and come back for more.